Hey everyone, welcome to this quick guide on how to activate your GTB ATM card in 2025. If you're a Guarantee Trust Bank customer, you've probably got a shiny new card in hand and are eager to start using it for withdrawals, payments, and more. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step, making it super straightforward and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have your GTB ATM card and your mobile phone ready. In 2025, activation is mostly digital, so we'll focus on the easiest method using the GTB mobile app. Start by downloading or updating the GTB app from your device's app store. It's free and secure. Once installed, open the app and log in with your username and password. If you're a new user, you might need to set up your account first. Next, navigate to the Cards section in the app menu. Look for an option that says Activate Card or something similar. It's usually highlighted for easy access. Enter the card details when prompted, like the 16-digit card number and the CVV on the back. You'll also need to verify your identity, so have your registered phone number or email handy for a one-time PIN. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the activation. This might involve a quick security question or a biometric scan, like your fingerprint or Face ID, to keep things safe. Once done, your card should be activated instantly. To double-check, try making a small transaction or checking your balance at an ATM. One tip: if you run into any issues, like app glitches, contact GTB customer support through the app or their helpline. They're available 24/7 in 2025 and can guide you through alternatives, such as activating via an ATM if needed. There you have it. Activating your GTB ATM card is quick and painless. By following these steps, you'll be all set to enjoy seamless banking. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.